Dude, how is my Barbarian King still alive?
You're a real one.
You should probably download Clash of
You
Clans
take that
again.
many cannon shots, you could probably take some good dick.
Why would you say that? No, I don't want to download Clash of Clans anymore.
I got a 70%. That's good enough. Still got a bunch of trophies for that.
Orange.
How did this guy only get a freaking 1-star on me, but got 97%? What?
Guess he didn't get your town hall, bro.
No, he got 93%.
Yeah.
Noob. 93.
He didn't get your town hall because he's bad.
Oh my god, yeah, how did he not get the town hall?
I can't tell you how many times I've gotten like a 98% without getting a town hall. I like, especially in war, that shit happens all the time, and I just get pissed off.
Last time
I
I did a
thought
fucking
it was
clan
This
war,
tower's
bro.
been for everything that wasn't the town hall.
I'm the town hallist.
That is so weird. Never seen that before.
Oh my god, my eye's dying. Ah, stop. Stop flashing. Oh, fuck. Dislike, because the song is bad.